Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change cPanel's password. So let's get started. So from your cPanel, we'll search for password. So we'll click on password and security. Now from here, you put your old password and also your new password. So I'm going to paste my old password here. Now you can make use of the password generator to generate a password. You can click on the generate button to generate a particular password. And ensure you copy this password. When you're done, you click on I have copied this password in a safe place and use password. And when you're done, you click change your password. And when you click change your password now your current section will be terminated. Now you'll be logged out of your cPanel and you also put in your new password with your username. So I'll click on change your password now. So I've been logged out from my cPanel, and from here you put your username and also your new password. So thank you for watching today's video. I hope today's video has helped you out. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you.